I want the viewer to listen in again because this is an official statement from the senior doctors who have supervised the surgery on Saif Ali Khan. This is what they had to say, the gravity of the injuries on him.
Saif Ali Khan was admitted in the morning at 2 a.m. at Lilavati Hospital with alleged history of assault by some unknown person. He sustained major injury to the thoracic spinal cord due to lodged knife in the spine. Surgery was performed to remove the knife and also repair the leaking spinal fluid. 2 other deep wounds on his left hand and one on the neck was repaired by plastic surgery team. He is completely stable now. He is recovering well and out of danger.
Just to imagine, right, and this is the statement that has come in from the doctors as well, and we'll play out that again. Now, remember, the gravity of the situation is when the doctor says that in the thoracic spinal cord, there had to be a piece of the knife or object, the object that with which he was attacked had to be taken out. So they imagine the kind of pressure with which this intruder attacked the actor and clearly did not mean well at all. So was it simply robbery attempt, something much more? And the man coming prepared with a weapon in case he was noticed. And thankfully he was, because then we do not know what else could have happened at that residence. Sana Farzeen continues to be with us on your screen. We are putting an excerpt and details about what the doctors have said about how 2 deep wounds on the hand. Plastic surgery team has repaired the parts that were affected previously. Cardiologist was also taken into consideration as well because there was a connection to the heart. For now, Saif Ali Khan is out of danger. He has been brought in, we are told, to the ICU right now. The surgery's got over. Sana, what is the mood currently outside? Because this is one star couple who've been very friendly and amicable in terms of always getting clicked, whether it's the paparazzi or anyone with a mobile phone. They do acknowledge people coming in, even at the gate of this star couple. So at the hospital, do you see fans also, well-wishers of the Khans? What is happening right now?
It happened late in the night. Not many people knew about it. So once they were here in the morning, seeing a crowd, seeing the media, they were kind of trying to find out what exactly has happened. But now when they know that Saif is in the hospital, there are a lot of fans and trying to kind of take a gauge of the situation of what exactly has happened. Of course, Kareena, Saif and their kids are a favorite among everyone. And because the kids were also at home, there is a sense of worry. There is a sense of disappointment that this has happened right inside their home, and everyone is talking about how the intruder kind of evaded the security and managed to attack Saif right inside his home. That raises a lot of questions about the law and order and of course the security of these premises, these high tower buildings even. But right now fans were here when the doctors made the statement. Definitely they all worried about Saif's health, but after the doctor's statement saying that he is stable now and will recover well, there is a sense of relief right now, and I'm sure everyone's just praying for Saif to kind of go back home soon and just recover and is hale and hearty soon.
Your information, who all are there at the hospital? And I understand it's sketchy. We are trying to assert more details. Who all do you think currently are there? Go ahead.
So, of course, as I mentioned, Sara Ali Khan and Ibrahim Ali Khan, Saif's children, were here in the morning. After the surgery, they met their father and left soon after he was shifted to the ICU. Kareena definitely has come in. Saif's good friend Siddharth Anand, the director, he was here. It's also been said that Kunal Khemu is also present in the hospital to meet Saif. Because the surgery was happening for a very long time, a lot of family members hadn't attended Saif. But now that he is in the ICU, he is out of the surgery room. We can expect a lot more friends and family members